Okay, for example, how triploid individual form. See how triploid individual forms. Okay, first, here we have parent. Okay, which is both parent is triploid. Okay, if none disjunctions occur for one parent, okay, during formations of gamete, for example, these parents undergo non-disjunctions, produce 2N gamete, while this normal gamete, and they will produce F1 generation, which is 3N, and this become triploid in the individuals and have triploid numbers of chromosome. Okay, and other example is okay, you can see the explanation in your lecture note. The other example is how tetraploid individual form. Okay, tetraploid individual forms. Okay, for example, it have parent. Okay, with both is diploid individual, and both individuals produce 2N gamete. So mean which is two individuals undergo non-disjunction during formations of gamete and produce F1 generations of progenies with 4N in the individuals. Okay, this is how tetraploid forms, or can be formations of tetraploid individuals, triploid individuals can be when these 4N individuals, okay, fertilize with 2N individuals, okay, and these 4N individuals form gamete as usual, means they have 2N gamete, okay, and this one produce N gamete, and after it's fertilized, they will produce 3N individual, which is that 3 triploid. This is tetraploid, and this is 3 triploid. Okay, what else? Tetraploid individuals. This is we call as triploid in the individual. Okay. Then this is explanation. You can read for your own. Okay. And types of polyploidy, which is autopolyploidy. Okay, autopolyploidy was mentioned before this. Okay, the condition in which an individual has more than two complete set of chromosome. Definitions of alternations numbers of chromosome. Okay, that derive from a same species. The word is same species, and all the chromosomes are identicals. Okay, examples of autopolyploidy plant is strawberry, sugarcane, and potato. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, first, how the colchicine, how the autopolyploidy forms. Okay, disease can be induced by using colchicine, and it was mentioned that functions of the colchicine to prevent formations of spindle fiber. Okay, when the spindle fiber fail to forms, okay, the chromosome do not separate and move toward the opposite pole. Okay. Okay, for example, for autopolyploidy, we have same species means species A, okay, Parent is species A. Okay, with 2n equal with 6. Okay, means diploid AA. Okay, hybrid breed with species A. Okay, 2n equal with A. 2n equal with 6. Okay, and produce gamete. Okay, produce gamete with n equal with 3. And the other one is undergo non-disjunction, produce gamete with 2n equal with 6. And produce progenies or F1 progenies, which is they have n plus 2n equal with 3n, which is they have 9 chromosome. Okay, 9 chromosome. So there is no homologous chromosome, and synapses fail and fail productions of gamete, and this individual is called as triploid individuals, and this triploid individual is sterile. Okay, sterile individuals will become fertile. If it's undergo chromosome doubling. Chromosome doubling, which is they become A, and A. A mean hexaploid. We have homologous chromosome here, and another one A. Homologous chromosome, which is they have 6 N. And they have 9. And then you get A, 18. For allopolyploidy, so have to say hello. So hello is refer to same definitions for the alternations number of chromosome, but it's derived from two different types of species, but closely related. Closely related here means, for example, like tiger and bird. Cannot be tiger and lion. Not tiger with bird. Because of tiger will eat bird. And interbreed and combine their chromosome, and this occur due to hybridization. Example of allopolyploidy is wheat. So saya you all can read for your own. I show the example. For example, we have species A and species B. Species A produce gamete without non-disjunctions, will form progenies. Both species B also non-disjunction, produce progenies with A and B. A and B is non-homolog, and they become sterile hybrid means cannot produce gamete because of there is no homologous chromosome. And cannot undergo process synapsis mean cannot undergo meiosis, means meiosis fail, and cannot produce gamete. This point you have to remember. Means there is no homologous chromosome, fail to undergo synapsis, and fail productions of gamete. To produce fertile offspring, the chromosome have undergo chromosome doubling or doubling chromosome, to become AABB and become fertile. And these fertile individuals produce AB gamete. Mitotic diagram shows species A 2n equal with 6, species B 2n equal with 4. After the meiosis without non-disjunctions, normal gamete n equal with 3, n equal with 2. Okay, when we join the diagram, we can see that there is no homologous chromosome. The word is no homologous chromosome. Okay, no homologous chromosome. Okay, where is no homologous chromosome? So means they fail to undergo synapsis. Okay, and fail undergo synapsis. So means fail to produce gamete. Okay, and to become fertile, so they have undergo doubling chromosome, and this will produce gamete n equal with 5. Okay, for examples in your lecture note, okay, cross between triticum monococcum 2n equal with 14, while triticum equal with 2n equal with 14. Okay, both same numbers of chromosome but different species. Okay, so 2n equal with 14 and produce normal gamete n equal with 7, and produce n plus n mean equal with 14. Okay, this undergo chromosome duplications or doubling chromosome will produce 2n equal with 28, which is gamete n equal with 14. Okay, 28 means they was undergo chromosome doubling. Okay, and this is evolutionary of histories of wheat. Okay, so n equal with 7. Okay, n equal with 7 means gamete produced from the triticum monococcum and triticum sesi. Okay, will produce trial hybrids A, B, which is n equal with 14. Okay, why n? Because of there is no homologous chromosome. Okay, chromosome A and B cannot join together or cannot undergo synapsis with the chromosome B. Okay, because it's not the homologous chromosome. And this is trial hybrid. This trial hybrid will undergo chromosome doubling to form fertile triticum turgidum. Okay, triticum turgidum, okay, will produce gamete n equal with 14. Okay, and if it fertilize with the triticum tauschii, okay, they will produce gamete n equal with say 7. And after fertilization, they will produce sterile hybrid and symbolized by n equal with 21, and it will undergo chromosome doubling to form triticum aestivum, and it is fertile of offspring. Okay, why n? Because this cannot be homolog with the not homolog for the B and not homolog for the C. Okay, so we consider it's a different species. Okay, so this reference we will refer